Good morning, everyone. Terry here from TJ's Tiny Homestead. I thought I'd bring you out and show you our bird bath slash water fountains that we've been working on here the last few days. First one up we got here, we made out of an old kitty litter box I got from my brother-in-law. We painted it red, nice, pretty red, and got these pebbles from the Dollar Tree. And then my husband drilled some holes in, a big hole in it for the hose so the water will come out. And then there's some drain hose. I don't know if you can see them. There's one. And there's one. There's some more. And spread these out. And it's solar powered, so we don't have to worry about anything. The solar panel's right over here. We got that off Amazon for about 12 bucks. So altogether with the pebbles, we probably paid $15 for this one, which isn't really a bad deal. Look at those ferns. Look how big they are. I just love it. And there's my hummingbird feeders. We had a lot of hummingbirds, so I made sure we got them up. Okay, let's go over here to this one. Now this one here, we put on a plant stand. We got this plant stand at a resale shop here in town, and he cut the top of it out, so it would sit down in there. Then we got this bow while we was in Springfield. The lady was giving it away free, so first thing that came to my mind was bird bath. So we put some pebbles in it also. Okay, those are suction cups. So these pumps here, put that out. See, they're suction cups, and you just get the rocks out of the way. There we go, suction cup. And poor little rubber ducky, he won't sit up. Anyway, I think there's the solar panel with that one. It's a big one. Anyway, I think for this one, we paid $5 for the stand. We already had the pebbles because we bought those with the other ones. And the pump was 12 bucks, so probably about $24 for this one. So I don't really think it's a bad deal. Just makes you want to make more. Anyway, there you go. Tell me what you think. Have a good day.